How to make and share a Google Sheet as editable. Hello everyone, and let's get started. Google Sheet allows users to create, edit and collaborate on spreadsheets online. So if you'd like to work in a team in order to take the updates of the team on the same Excel sheet, it is the perfect way. It offers features similar to Microsoft Excel such as formulas, charts, conditional formatting and much more. But if you're confused on how to make the sheets accessible to others for edit as well, let's get started. Open the browser and search for Google Sheets and make sure to log in into your Google account. It will also ask you for the credentials if you have not logged in before. But if you have, you can simply tap open it. After that, click on the first link provided by Google itself. Tap on Go to Sheets and then you will open all the sheets that you have till date. Or you can open a new sheet by tapping on Blank Spreadsheet. Now you have to tap on the share button which is present on the top right corner. But before sharing, you need to name the spreadsheet. You can name the spreadsheet anything you like, which can give a meaningful insight into the spreadsheet and then save it. Once that is done, tap on the share button again. And there are two ways by which you can make it accessible and editable. The first one is adding the username or the Gmail on the section and giving the access of editor and then tapping on send. It will send an email notification to the Gmail holder and the other person can simply open it and use. Likewise, the next way is click on the share button and then click on general access. Now change it to anyone with the link and change the access into editor. Then tap on done. Now you can share the link to anyone and the person can edit it as well. This is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button.